Algamoil is a Teregroup company and a brand based in Modena, with offices in USA, in France, in Bulgaria, in Spain, in Brazil, and in Germany. We are a beer engineering company and with more than 30 years of experience in research and industrial production of microalgae. As we know, there is an urgent need to decrease the pollution in the world. The European Union has adopted some important measures to reduce the pollution in the European countries. Electrical cars in the future will certainly play an important role in the reduction of emission. However, it will be impossible to convert the larger means of transport in electrical energy, like airplane, cruise ships, or trucks, or big heating system, because the life of the battery is still limited. In collaboration with the European Union, we have found a green solution to reduce the emission. And in collaboration too with the University of Modena and Reggio Emilia and the Faculty of Engineering Enzo Ferrari, we have tested a new vegetable additive for fuel. We have created an additive called Algamoil B20 biodiesel. This has been positively tested on a conventional diesel engine without affecting the performance, and it generated lower particulate emission compared to a commercial diesel. On the left, we can see a commercial diesel emission, the diagram, and on the right, you can see the decrease in emission of our additive. As you can see, we have a decrease of up to 50% of PM10, the black smoke. We reported our results to the scientific community in Europe and the USA, and they have been published. The European Union and the Italian government has adopted the following measures to reduce the pollution. A new regulation to reduce emission will become mandatory in Italy and in Europe in 2018, mixing advanced biofuel additive and a diesel. Oil from microalgae is one of the advanced biofuel additive approved and will be used the next year in all European countries. Algamoil at this moment cannot fully replace diesel because oil from algae is not produced in large quantity. Today, we have to consider it an additive. But we have demonstrated that a smaller quantity can reduce significantly the emission. Egypt and Eni is one of the largest petrol companies in Italy and is already selling diesel which contains 15% of green biofuel additive. Some petrol companies sell biodiesel at the same price as diesel to promote the new fuel. As you can see, they promote a reduction of up to 93% of the deposit in the engine. possible to produce biodiesel with microalgae to supply the market. At the moment, we are building one industrial scale plant in Italy, and it is expected to be operational by mid-2018. And also 7 industrial scale Algamoil plants have been authorized, and 10 are in the authorization phase. This is our 20,000 square meter project in Italy, and it is being built. How it works, our plant. Algae grow in a large tanks like aquariums and in fermenter to increase the production. This is our vertical aquarium to save space. Vertical because we need to save space. And it has been patented by us. How it works? We put in an aquarium water and algae, and we use sunlight, natural or artificial, like LED, and we inject CO2. We capture the smoke on the exhaust pipe from industrial factories, and then we separate the smoke from CO2, and we put into the aquarium. I show that. We inject the CO2 in the aquarium, and the algae transform CO2 to oxygen. Our 20,000 square meter microalgae plant can capture CO2 equivalent to 400 hectares forest. That's the beginning point. We invite you to visit our CO2 sequestration plant in Italy. Microalgae is not only biofuel, but can also be used to produce the following electric injection, 3D filaments for 3D printers, polyurethane, and many more. Thank you for coming.